Good morning, Tim Border with J.H. Barkau & Sons in Cedarville. And this is the 2017 Chevy Express G3500 one-ton van with a 6-liter V8. It's $33,952. It is a one-owner, former government vehicle. It has been through our service department. We put new tires on it all the way around, all four. Lube oil filter, air filter, wipers, driver information, cruise control, 28,792 miles, AM/FM radio with XM satellite radio, tow haul mode, OnStar, rear view backup camera pops up in the rear view mirror, rear heat and air controls. It is a 15-passenger version. Super clean van's really nice. E85 flex fuel capable. New tires. It has been undercoated. A lot of the government vehicles are. That's why we like to get those. Windows all around with privacy glass. Backup camera. Doesn't have the hitch, but it is set up for it. Does have the tow package with the tow haul mode. Oil coolers, trans cooler. Has a swing outside doors. Two, three, and 4 seating, rear heat and air. The plastic is put down by our detail guys. Most people leave it in here. Helps keep the floors cleaner that much longer. The rubber floor mats. A little hard to see that, but there's all the vehicle details. Really nice van. These have been really hard to come by. We haven't had a good selection like this. We have 5 of them sitting, 6 of them sitting here in 3 or 4 years since before COVID. The government just hasn't, the General Motors and the manufacturers just haven't been building any. Put the phone down for a second while I find the hood release. New battery in it. Super clean under the hood. I'm going to fire it up here. Been sitting all weekend. And then I'll get this sent off to you. Oh, we do have a 12-volt power outlet. Connections, 150 volt. Fired right up. Almost 6-liter V8. I will get this sent off to you. Again, you can reach 815-718-9288. 28,792 miles. Hope you have a great Monday. Have a great day. God bless you. See you later.